Sometimes when you leave a person to their own devices and they tend to start adding things and doing things on top of other things, things can sometimes get out of hand. So, with that being said, today's objective is to clean this up. Make it manageable, serviceable. Stay tuned. We're going to do a wire rescue in the front of my man's bike. Gotta go. Part 2. Came back in, put things out the way, got rid of all the snow cap connectors, running a nice circle around here so nothing's getting crushed. We had a problem with the speaker on one side going off. Turned out faulty Y plugs. Note to self, you can put the diamond or the Cern Vega in FLAC front, but here's the big but. You have to have this spacer. This is one of the first generation spacers they put out for 5x7 from 5 1/4 to 6 1/2 adapter, which is very thin. As you see, it doesn't take up much space. The fairing barely closes with the speaker in here. So you gotta have, take a minimum of space. With a diamond, I guess it would have fit a lot tighter in there, but we was able to MacGyver it up in there. Well, he did, and I came up back and cleaned it up. But yeah, that's what you want to have to make that fit. The thin old school spacer. And what I mean by the old school spacer is, let me see, where they at? See how thick these are? Versus this right here. This or that. See how much more that puts you out there? So, yeah, you need to have that to make that work. Not the new style one, which is a skosh. See? Not gonna work. How to for today. Let you see what I see. I normally don't do that too much, but hey, I'm gonna let it fly. Gotta go.